Good evening, guys. Here in course content, you have available now. I'm gonna get a view as a student, course content, and lecture, exam number 2. Now you have a different organization for your folders. Here in quizzes and exams, you have two files. They're very useful. This quiz is going to be available until the date for your exam, and these are the updated key concepts, including the urinary part. The other thing I would like to discuss with you, it's on general education, not in course content. Here in general education, the third link, you have the signature assignment, block typing, and you have here your instructions. You can read here your instructions and the files that you need. Open these instructions, follow these instructions. Remember, you have to go over general education in order to open the folder. Then you're gonna find 4 files. You're gonna find the block typing signature assignment. You're gonna find the sample for the lab document. You're gonna find a grading rubric, and you're gonna find the teamwork prompt questions. Then you have to make 2 submissions at the end. The first one is going to be the block typing lab report submission, and you have a folder for that. I'm going to show you in a minute. And the second submission is going to be the teamwork submission. That you have here the steps in order to submit your assignment. I'm going to show you in a minute. Here you have the 2 folders, the 2 Dropbox actually, for sending your submissions. Please follow your instructions.